Good evening, children. So today we're going to have a program after our meditation. Okay, you're going to talk about your plants, right? Today, all right, children. First, we will meditate for 10 minutes. All right. Please mute your mics on your videos. Wear your pyramid caps if you have with you. If you have your caps, just wear it. Okay, good. Cross your legs. Clasp your fingers like this. Put on your lap. Close your eyes. If you're wearing glasses, please remove your glasses, children. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Clasp your hand and do not open your eyes, children. Observe your breath, children. Focus on your breathing. Close your eyes. Do not open your eyes. Observe your breath. Stay calm, relaxed. Sit comfortably wherever you are. Enjoy the music. Relax yourself. Relax your mind. Do not have any thoughts, children. Keep your mind empty. Do not allow any thoughts. Observe your breath. Welcome back. Welcome back, children. Okay, so are you all ready for today's activity? Very good evening to all of you. You're all looking great, beautiful. Okay, like the little Buddhas. All right? All right. Okay. So good evening to all the children, masters and viewers. My name is Shima Subramaniam, and I have been meditating Anapanasati meditation since January 2020. We are from Pyramid Spiritual Society Movement, Malaysia. I started children meditation Zoom class on the 3rd March 2021 this year with the help and guidance of Master Jayaprada, PSSM Malaysia. Ever since then, I have been teaching meditation and readings of Bhagavad Gita to the children via the Zoom meeting classes. I started with 4 children and now it has increased to almost 30 students. And these kids are really amazing as they are in a very short period of time, they got connected and united with meditation. And I call them the little Buddhas. So as the name of the group. In accordance with swag, say water and go green, introduced by Patriji, Brahmashri Pitamaha Patriji, the children of PSSM Malaysia would like to offer a small contribution where each one of them has came up with a plant. They have been seedling and growing the plant all by themselves. at their respective homes. And today, these little Buddhas are going to dedicate their work to swag. And each of them will be sharing about their plant. And besides that, they did a small research to see the effect of expressing love towards living things by uttering positive words to their plants. The children are eagerly waiting to present their work today. So let us hear it from them. Okay. So our first speaker for today will be Pranavi. Okay. So let's welcome our first Buddha, Pranavi.
Pranam
Pranavi,
to
you can on, yes,
Brahmashri
on your mic.
Pitama Patriji. Hi, my name is Pranavi. I'm 10 years old and I'm meditating for 1 year. And for these 2 months, I'm meditating with Teacher Shema. And today I'm going to talk to you all about my plant that I grew for 1 month. And my plant's name is Teddy the Wisdom. The meaning of the Teddy the Wisdom's name is that because once I had a dog named Teddy and it died, so I just thought that my dog will give the blessing to my plant. So that is why I kept the name Teddy the Wisdom. And I always water it and I always put fertilizer and I always tell some good affirmations like I love you are healthy, your roots are growing beautiful, your leaves are green, you are rising by the sun. I love you so much. You are growing healthy, growing long and tall. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wonderful, wonderful speech. And can you just lift up your plant and show me? Yes, that's very beautiful. Very nice. Well grown. Good job. Okay, thank you very much, Pranavi. So let us hear from our second speaker. She is Arvinisha. Yes, welcome, Arvinisha. You can unmute and start speaking.
Yes, teacher. Pranam. Teacher, wait for
It's okay, it's okay. Take it time. Okay, she's adjusting her camera. All right. You okay, Arvinisha? Is everything okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. All right, you can speak.
Pranams to Brahmashi Patriji. Hi, my name is Arvinisha. I am 7 years old. Today I am going to talk. I am meditating 1 month and in Master Shima teacher. And
Arvinisha, yeah, speak. What do you want to say?
and I plant lily flower.
Wow.
And I every day add water
Mhm.
and I always talk nice things to the plant.
Okay.
I thought you are lovely, you are very smart, and you are very taller than everyone.
Okay.
And I name it Krishna
Oh, wow.
because it is beautiful and taller like Krishna
Okay.
and special like Krishna.
Okay.
And I and I am present this to swag.
Wow, thank you very much, Arvinisha. Can we see your plant? Can you show us your plant? Is it the one behind? Wow, that's really big. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, it is as lovely and as big and huge like Krishna. Okay, that's lovely, Arvinisha. Thank you, Arvinisha. You did a great job. Thank you very much. All right.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. With that, let us Okay, the next speaker is Sindhu Sri. Okay, Sindhu Sri. All right, let's hear it from our next Buddha, Sindhu Sri.
Yes, teacher.
Welcome, Sindhu Sri.
Pranams to Brahmashri Patriji. My name is Sindhushri and I'm 13 years old. I've been meditating since a month through Zoom with teacher Shima. She encourages all of us very well. I've planted an aloe vera tree before a month and it was really tiny when I planted it, but now it's almost the size of my hand. I take care, I take care of it by watering it daily and giving it positive vibes. And I've named it as Alora because the aloe has AL and Vera has RA in it, and I combined both of them together and named it as Alora. Aloe vera is used as medicine and it's also used as a natural skincare, and so many people use it like a gel and a lot of uses. At last, I would like to dedicate this to swag, and swag means save water and go green. Thank you.
Wow, wow, that's excellent, excellent. Wonderful, wonderful speech and really great. And uh, one second now, let me on my battery is going low. One second, just give me a few minutes. Okay, all right. I have a question. So I just want to ask you, Sindhusri. So what have you learned throughout, taking care of plants and, watering them and nurturing them? What have you learned? And how do you feel
By
when you do
taking
this?
care of it, I have learned discipline. Like every day, I have a specific time to water it, and yeah. So the main thing I've learned is discipline and
So you say your plant was very small, but then after some time you see it grow so well. How did you feel? How was your feeling that moment?
yes.
How did you feel?
Oh, I felt it was really satisfying because I have planted it by myself, and
That's great. That's great. So you feel like you have done a very good job, isn't it? You feel great about yourself and you feel so proud about yourself. Yes. Really nice. Really nice from. That's very nice from you.
my
Oh,
parents are also really happy.
your parents also very happy because you're doing good actions, right? It's good
Yes.
deed. It's called good karma as well. Okay, very good, very good. So, okay, with that, let us go to the next participant, uh, Lakshmi. Is Lakshmi in already? Oh, Lakshmi is not in yet. Okay, so, well, since Lakshmi is not here yet, let us go to the next participant. So our next little Buddha is Sakit. All right, one second.
Yes.
Sakit. Okay, Sakit. There you go. All right, you can start.
Pranams to Brahmasri Patriji Pitamaha. My name is Saket and I am 10 years old. Uh, I have been meditating from last 1 month by Zoom with teacher Shima. She is a very kind and encouraging teacher.
Thank
Uh,
you.
I named I have planted tomato trees and tomato plants, and I have named Ram and Lakshman because I want to shine like them.
Wow. Okay.
I pour water daily and tell good words.
Like what? What good words you use?
What, teacher?
Like what kind of words you use?
Uh, you're the prettiest plant.
Okay, go ahead. Continue.
A cute plant, cute tomatoes.
Okay. And then?
And lastly, I dedicate this to Swag.
Thank you very much. Can we see a tomato? I think I can see a little tomato there. Can you turn it for a yes? Wow, wow. A great job you have done. You have grown a tomato by yourself, Saket.
Yes, Auntie.
Yes, that's a good achievement and very great. It looks so beautiful and your plant looks so healthy because of the words, right? You use because you show them love and they grown up with full love. That's all energy. It's all love, energy. All right. So great to see this, Sakit, and thank you very much for your support towards swag. Okay, all right. With that, let us move to our next participant, our next little Buddha. Okay, where is Anusha? Anusha, you are the next participant. Yes, Anusha, welcome. Hi. You can unmute, ma. Okay, don't feel shy. Look at me. All right. You look so pretty, like a princess. Okay. Come, Anusha. Let's share about your plants. Oh, is that your tiny cute plant? Like you. It looks exactly like you. So cute and small. Okay. All right. Come tell us more about your plants and about yourself first. Your name, your age, everything.
Comes to Brahmashri Pitamaha Patraji. Good evening. My name is Anusha Subramaniam. I'm 7 years old. I joined meditation class past 1 month. I would like to thank my teacher Shima for teaching me about meditation.
Welcome. And about your plants?
I'm blessed. I plant in the plant. This is my plant.
Mm-hmm.
I put water in my plant every day to make sure grow healthy,
Mm-hmm.
look strong, and beautiful.
Okay. So what else you do with your plant? Any name for your plant, and what plant is that?
My plant name is Krishna. Why I choose Krishna? Because I like Lord Krishna.
Okay, it is so cute. So this is little Krishna. So I can see your plant is so little, right? It's like a little Krishna. Yes, so healthy. So would you like, okay, when you plant, right, every day you water them, okay, you come back from school, you take care of your plants. How do you feel? When you see them growing, when you see there's nothing, right? When you put the seed, it was empty. After some time, you see it's growing slowly. You can see them coming out. How did you feel when you see the plants growing?
I talk to my plant.
You speak to your plant? Okay, what do you say?
I say, I love you. You are the best and you are strong.
Okay, so your plant is strong, right? Now? Okay.
I dedicate this plant Krishna to Swag. Thank you.
Welcome. That's so sweet of you, Anusha. Great. You look, thank you very much. It was indeed excellent speech. Presentation about your plant. So would you like to plant more in the future? Would you like to do more planting? Yes. Okay. And we can support swag, right? By planting a lot of plants around your house. Okay. Okay, we can do that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go to the next speaker. Danya, are you here, Danya? Yes, Danya is here. Okay, Danya, you can unmute and start.
Pranams to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. I am Danyasri of 12 years old and I am meditating from last 4 months, and also I am attending for a meditation class in Zoom with Miss Shima. She's a very good and motivation teacher.
Thank you so much.
And this is my rose plant, and I named it as Sai because I love him and he loves yellow flowers. And every day I tell some good affirmations like, I love you, you are beautiful, you are very strong, and you are growing well. And when I speak with it, it will reply me by shaking its leaves.
Wow, excellent. That's great. Okay.
And when it gives me flowers, I will tell thank you for giving me this beautiful flowers.
Wow, excellent, Danya.
And I would like to dedicate this plant to Swag. Thank you.
Welcome, and wow, excellent, Danya. It was really nice to hear from you that they shake, right? That's what you said, right? They would, when you ask them question, they would just, was it? That's what
Yes,
you said, right?
teacher.
Yeah, that's lovely. I mean, children, all of you can hear this. See, this is called energy, right? They can hear you, they can feel you because they are They are nature. So, you know, the more you love, you show them, the more the love you can feel. So very nice, Danya, to hear this from you. And may I know where are you from? You didn't mention where are you from. You are from?
India,
India. Where about in India?
in Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay. All right. So it's really great to see you every day coming to class without fail, attending the class from all over from India via Zoom. You and your sister Ridhania. I feel so grateful. I feel so lucky to have children like you, so dedicated to meditation and doing whatever task I'm telling you, although you're abroad across the sea. So I feel very great about all of you kids. So thank you very much, Dania. Thank you very much. Lovely, lovely presentation. Okay, with that, let us move to Sahana. Okay, the next little Buddha. Where's my next little Buddha? Sahana, where are you? There you go. Okay. All right. Hi, Sahana. You can start. Begin.
Hi, my name is Sahana. I am 9 years old and I am from South Putra.
Malaysia.
And today I will be talking about my plant. First of all, my teacher's name is Teacher Shima. I like her very much. She's very pretty and all. She's the one who teach me meditation for 2 months. And she asked me to plant this seed. I planted a pink rose, and every time before I go to school, I always said, "You're green, you are very pretty, you are so beautiful, like my teacher." I always said that and pour water every time, and always like see like a puppy, but it's not a puppy, it's a plant. And I named me Mika. The reason why I named it Mika, because I go to YouTube, I see one dog named Mika, and that's why I named it Mika. I dedicate this to Swag.
Thank you.
Thank you.
1 second. Can you move the camera a bit further so I can see you? Because I can only see you partially. Yeah. Okay. So wonderful, wonderful, Sahana. And thank you so much for saying that I'm pretty. You are pretty too. Okay, your flower is as beautiful as you are. There are so many flowers in it. That means the energy that you've given, the love that you have shown them, I think is enormous. So you can see the effect on the plant. There's so many pink flowers over there. Beautiful, Sahana. So how do you feel when you see those flowers coming up? How do you feel?
It feels like I did a great job. It feels like, oh my God, I did a great job. As I did a great job. I think as the same I need to do as the great job as my studies too.
Yes, excellent, excellent learning. Okay, thank you very much, Sahana. All right, let us move to the next person. After Sahana is Sai Garvik. Welcome, Sai Garvik. Okay, the stage is yours.
Pranam to Brahmrishi Pitamaha Patriji. My name is Sai Garvik. I'm studying 4th class. My age is 9 years old. I'm doing meditation from March 19. Thanks to group meditation of Shima, I could do meditation very well. I love it very much when I'm doing with Shima and the others.
Okay. Go ahead.
And I feel I always feel happy and relaxed when I'm doing meditation. And now I'm going to say my plant. I'm going to describe about my plant, Patriji.
Oh, your plant name is Patriji. Wow. Okay. Wow. Patriji has grown so well, so green. Like Patriji, so healthy and so beautiful. Okay. Can you say something about this plant? Yeah, I can put
Yes,
next to you.
teacher.
Yeah. Okay.
I I always tell good things to it, like you have to be very strong, your leaves should not be dried, and you should be a green plant, like you should be beautiful than a beautiful flower, and I always love you. I want you to be very healthy and also very, very good plant, and you to be very intelligent.
Wow, intelligent plant. Okay, good.
It also grows very well, and why I plant this plant is because of it. It is good for digestion and good for brain function also.
Wow. So it's more like a medicinal plant, right?
Yes,
Oh, very good.
whenever I'm getting tired and very, very upset, I don't know why, I don't know. Then when I go to the plant, to Patriji plant, then I say why I'm like this. Then it gives me then shades it its branch. Then I thought giving some of its leaves to make me very happy. So I take some leaves and eat, again be happy.
Wow, wow, what a learning, what a great lesson that you have taught all of us. Interesting.
And like that, our two friendship got even closer and closer.
Wow, amazing. Sai, I don't know what to say. You're doing great job. And why did you name it Patriji? Would you like to tell us?
Because it's very intelligent plant, and it's almost like a Patriji. That's why I named it Patriji.
Great. It is, indeed it is. Okay. So, yes, thank you very much. But how do you feel when you come up with this plant? You see it's growing so well. I see it's very healthy and so many, they have so many branches and it's full of leaf. I can't even see the branch. I can only see the leaves everywhere. So how did you feel when you came up with, while you were taking care of this plant, nurturing it, and suddenly you see so many leaves growing, how you feel? How
That's
did
a
you?
good question, Hima.
Yes.
When I was planting a seed, I didn't believe. Why is teacher Shima telling like this? How can when I say good things, how the plant grows very well? But I still wanted to plant a plant. So I planted a plant. Then after some 2 days, after all the hard working take caring, and how much it needs sunlight, seeing in Google, and like that hard working, then it grew a little. Then I was so happy. I thought that good things always help anything.
Wow, wow, wow. Good.
And after it got so many leaves and branches, I feel very happy. I thought all my words are getting to the plant and it's getting more healthier.
Yes.
Then I thought it was getting more plants, and more than when it was little plants. When it was getting more branches, more leaves, then I thought in my brain that I should name it Patriji, and also I should believe if some true people say.
Wow. Okay. Okay. That's really, really interesting, Sai Garvik. Wonderful. Wonderful. I'm so glad that you have learned a lot of lessons and you are sharing it with us. Thank you for your sharings and everything. Great. It's really great.
I would like to dedicate this plant to Swag. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. With that, let us move to the next speaker. Okay. Who's after Sai Garvik? Okay. Krishita. Where are you, Krishita?
Hi,
Our next speaker is Krishita. Okay, Krishita, you may start.
Pranams to Patriji everyone. I am Krishna from class 4. I am 9 years old. I've been meditating for the past 4 days. Thanks to Miss Shima. She is a very good and encouraging teacher. Today I'm going to tell about my rose plant. I got the seed from India and I've been planting it in Malaysia at home. Its name is Rose. It is a shrub. It is 3 months old. If it gives flowers, then we will offer them to the God. I dedicate this to Swag.
Wow, Krishita, excellent that you use those flowers to offer to the God, right? That's wonderful. So they will give more and more flowers because you're using it for a good purpose, isn't it? And how did you feel when you find, as you growing the plants, you see flowers coming out, and how did you feel when you see the flowers in the plant which you have taken care of? How did you feel?
It's so beautiful, and I was even touching this when everyone is standing.
Okay, so do you want to have more plants in the future? You want to have more? You want to plant more plants in the future?
I already have more plants.
Oh, you already started planting other plants. Wow, can I know what are they? Like vegetables or what? Like flowers?
Like the purple plants.
Okay, flowers.
I don't know other names, but
okay, fine. As long as it's a plant. Okay, very good. It's a very good action you're doing. You're going to give good encouragement for the rest. Thank you very much, Krishita. Wonderful. I'm so glad. Okay, is there anyone who haven't participated? All done? Okay. So let us. Okay, thank you, children. We are back now. We are back. We have finished our presentation, our plan, our dedication to SWAG. So it was really wonderful, children. Thank you very much, children. You have done a great job, and I must thank you because you've been following whatever I've been telling you, very disciplined. You children are very, very disciplined, and it's so easy to take care. I mean, to handle all of you. You've been doing great job in the class. You've been following the instruction. You are also disciplined children, and I feel so great, and I feel so lucky to be with you, because every time when I'm with you, I feel very energetic. When I come back from work and I quickly come to Zoom, though I'm back from work, I never feel tired. After seeing you, I become more energetic because your energy is so pure. And every time I'm sharing the energy with you, and I feel so great. So you are doing great job, excellent job. And you are all great souls. And I'm so glad to be with you. I feel so lucky to be with you. And I want to be with you for very, very long. And we're going to do more great things in the future. We're going to do a lot of activities because with kids like you, with amazing kids like you, I think I can do wonders. So we're going to do a lot of activity in the near future. And as I promised, all of you will have a gift coming right to your doorstep in the next 2 weeks. Okay. So so thank you for your support and encouragement to SWAG. Okay. And thank you for all your great effort and participation, as well as I must thank your parents here. I would like to take the opportunity to thank all the parents who have helped their children. So they have played a great part in this activity. All right. Thank you to the parents. I hope they keep supporting and encouraging you. You are all very lucky to have such a great parents. And you are going to be a great example for the current young generations. So feel great about that. With that, we would like to say what we would like to say. So we have to say something before we end our session.
Swag.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Swag.
So what is swag? Save water.
Save water and grow better.
and go green. Yes, Save Water and Go Green swag. This is our dedication to you. Thank you very much, children. Thank you so much.